To download the Python, search for Python, and probably you will get the first link which will show you this python.org. You will have to click on the download, and then if you are using Windows, click on the download Python, and you will have to save it at the proper location wherever you want. For example, I'll keep in general downloads and save it. If you are using other system, for example Mac, Linux and other, then you can go for that one. So now it is downloaded. We'll go to that folder and double click on it. It is asking default installation. So first of all, I need to click add Python to the path. That is important. Second, I'll go for custom installation. Please make it sure that these two sections must be enabled, and I'll go for custom installation. Okay. Then next, then the path should be I'll browse, then this PC, then installation, then I already having a folder Python. I'll click OK and install. It is asking verify. Yes, that's it. Your installation has been done.